Mini Red Riding Hood episode, Goofy got a cold. Hey, that reminds me of the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse episode, Mini Red Riding Hood, when Goofy got a cold. Mine is Peppa Pig, George catches a cold. Where Goofy gets a cold. I'm 21 years old and I still like Peppa Pig. Hey Jay, Dr. J, your friend Nelson also likes your favorite show as well. I'm 21 and I still like Peppa Pig. It's gonna be alright, Andy. Me and Nelson are here to help you feel better. So that way you can stop coughing and getting cold. Remember, Nelson came here when he had a cold? Yeah, Nelson, I remember you had a cold, Nelson. So is that why you came here to Pro Hospital when you got cold? What, Nelson, one day in your new account, I will teach you how to bowl and roll bowling. So you're Nelson in your new account? In your new account? And me and Jay will teach you how next weekend. And don't worry, Nelson, with your new account, you'll get enough money in Bloxburg to get a car and your house back. Just like you built in your old account. Okay, Andy. Me and Nelson are gonna sit on the little couch while you rest. It's me, Dr. J. Andy, wake up. Hey, Nelson. Hey, Dr. J. Hi, Andy. Nelson, how you doing, Nelson? Yeah, I got some rest like you and Dr. J said. Remember, Jay, whenever me and Nelson get sick, you wear your doctor's outfit. That's why we bought a doctor's outfit for you. Whenever we have sick day and Blue's Clues, Jay should wear her doctor outfit. We're always here to help you get better, Andy. So for Copperfield, for our costume, I'm gonna get our own faces. For my costume, I'll get my joyous surprise face. Friendly smile face for your costume. And for Jay's costume, I should add silly fun. I think Jake, we should also get a new red shirt for Jacob. He's wearing a T-shirt on his red shirt. Man, I miss Jacob. Whenever Jacob is offline, I'm Avenger Jacob. So that way Jake can call us Jacob. And Nicholas is Sonic. He's our little boy. Remember Nelson? Remember our little boy Nicholas was Sonic? And Nicholas is also your little boy. Hey, it's the music from SpongeBob. From the episode Squidville. I watched the SpongeBob SquarePants Squidville episode as a kid. So how you feeling now, Andy? I'm feeling kind of better. Oh, okay. And I'm gonna have to take medicine from my mom. Like my brother took his medicine. My dad also needs to take his medicine. Yeah, that's why I'm too sick to go to Chuck E. Cheese. But I'll go when I feel better. Whenever my mom doesn't have things to do. Oh man, Nelson, I missed your grandma when she went back to Chile.